Hello and welcome to Pay the Pool Man. Today we're going to walk through the sold items report and check out this feature. So let's start by going to view and then we'll go to reports, and here we'll just select the sold items report. So this is our sold items report, and it's tracking anything that's been billed out that's listed as a sale item on your income item. So if your item isn't listed as a sale item, you won't see it here. Now you can search between commercial, residential, both, and you can search between dates. So maybe you want to just look for September. You can do that. And you see here you have this month versus last month. You have your pie chart here for popularity, and you can see numbers over here such as the name of the item, how many were sold, the gross charge, and you can look into it further by clicking who purchased this, how many, and we can even view the invoice number if we'd like, and that's clickable to go to that invoice. So the sold items can be helpful if it's something you're looking for, and you can go back here to this screen. You can also search items, and you can look at this in a different list format. You can expand it, shrink it, and export. So if you have any questions about the sold items report, please let us know and we'd be happy to help. Okay, thank you.